Fuse. Noun. A cord that, when lit, conveys the fire to some explosive device. Fuse. Noun. Manufacturing the mechanism that ignites the charge in an explosive device. Fuse. Noun. Electrical engineering, a device to prevent the overloading of an electrical circuit. Fuse. Noun. A friction match for smokers' use, having a bulbous head which when ignited is not easily blown out even in a gale of wind. Fuse. Noun. A kind of match made of paper impregnated with niter and having the usual igniting tip. Fuse. Verb. To melt together, to blend, to mix indistinguishably. Fuse. Verb. To melt together. Fuse. Verb. To furnish with or install a fuse. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.